Hello learners, welcome to Learn at a Glance. Today our topic is IELTS Speaking. In this video we'll talk about the speaking module of IELTS test. So let's get started. Basics about speaking. Speaking is same for both the categories, general training and academic test. Total time is around 11 minutes to 14 minutes. Total 3 parts are there. So let's talk about the parts. Part 1. You need to answer general questions about yourself, your family or home, your job or studies, your interest and a range of familiar topic areas. Here you have to answer short question answer, usually 1 or 2 sentence answer. Try not to give answer in one word. Part 2. The examiner gives you a cue card which asks you to talk about a particular topic and which includes points that you can cover in your talk. You are given 1 minute to prepare. You can make some notes if you wish. You talk for up to 2 minutes. Point to remember is that try to answer all the questions of cue card within 2 minutes and present them in an attractive way. After this, the examiner may then ask 1 or 2 questions on the same topic. Part 3. The examiner asks you further questions which are connected to the topic of Part 2. These questions give you opportunity to discuss more abstract issues and ideas. It is preferable to talk longer for each question. Usually 3 to 4 sentences are recommended. Marking criteria of speaking test. Marking is done depending on your potentiality over 4 areas. These are fluency, how fluent you are while speaking, lexical resources, the range of vocabulary you use in your speaking, grammatical range and accuracy, pronunciation, how well you pronounce words while speaking. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any query about this video, please feel free to comment and stay tuned for our next videos. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and keep learning.